Hello guys. Hello guys. My name is Zero from PLP cohort. I'm also a student, and I've decided to make this shorter video to help each other on how we can push our files to GitHub account, because most of us, we have been having that problem of pushing the file. So I decided to make this short clip so that we can help each other. Okay, let's go on. You have to open your file as I've done it here. After opening your file, now you come here on your far left. There is this circle with a symbol of a person here, which is profile. You left click. At the top, make sure that you see your GitHub account. If you don't see it, kindly sign in your GitHub account using your login details of the GitHub account. After that, you come here at the source control, left click the source control. After left clicking the left control, now this information will appear here: initializing repository and push to publish to GitHub. Then click here where you see my cursor, publish to GitHub. After clicking, it will open two files at the top here: publish to GitHub private repository or publish to GitHub public repository. So if you click private, that means your file won't be able to be viewed by other people. It's only you who will be able to view that file. And if you select public, that means everyone who will have access to your GitHub account or who will search that information to GitHub, he will see your file. So for me, I'm going to select public. After public, selecting the public, then there'll be an option of OK. Click OK. Now it is publishing to GitHub by creating the first commit. After creating the first commit, it will upload the file. After uploading the file, now it will say your file has been successfully published to GitHub account, which is your GitHub account. Okay, it is still creating the first commit. Now it is uploading the file. After uploading the file, it will tell us that it is successfully published. It is still uploading. Still uploading. When your internet connection is strong, this process goes very fast, but mine is a bit buffing. It's still uploading. Now successfully published the Taylor 86-stroke to-do list, which is the repository. Now if you click here open on GitHub, it will open to my GitHub account through the browser, through my default browser, and it will show me that the information has been pushed to my GitHub. So that will be our next clip I'm going to show you. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you need any assistance, please, you can contact me. Thank you very much.